Hello! Welcome to English class. This is your English teacher, Miss Hannah. And today, you will be able to learn about who and they are. And so, are you ready? Okay, so please look or see and listen very well. He or his, H-E, refer to a person, boy or male, father, grandfather, grandpa, son, brother, uncle, nephew, gentleman, or man. She, S-H-E, or here, H-E-R, refer to a person, girl, or female, mother, grandmother, grandma, daughter, sister, auntie, niece, ladies, or woman. Who, who, it spells W-H-O, who. Who is always used to refer to people. And this can also be used when you are talking about a class or type of a person, or such as a team, or many or more person. Who, who. Now let's use the who question to introduce a one person, boy or male. Number 1. Who is he? Who is he? He is my father. He is my brother. He is my uncle. He is my grandpa. He is my friend. He is my classmate. He is my cousin. So remember, always use the he to introduce a one person, male or boy. Now let's use the she. S-H-E. She is referred to a person, girl, lady, grandma, auntie, sister, mother, classmates, female, or cousin, girl or female. Now let's use the who question to introduce a she person. Who is she? Who is she? She is my mother. She is my sister. She is my auntie. She is my grandma. She is my friend. She is my classmate. She is my cousin. And so always remember, use the she is if only one person, girl or female, you introduce. Now let's go here use they are. It spells T-H-E-Y, they. A-R-E-R, they are. They are used to introduce two or more many persons involved. For example, parents. So parents involve mother, father. Family involves mother, father, brothers, and sisters. Friends involve also two or many or more persons. Classmates, teachers, students. And remember, if you use they are, always remember to put S at the end of the words. For example, friends, classmates, teachers, students, students. So if only one person, it's student. But if you use they are or you introduce many or more persons, so the words will become students, teachers. So if only one person or one teacher, so you only say teacher. But if you introduce or you're referring to or more teacher, so you will put s at the end the word and it became teachers. Now let's use the who questions for our day. Number 1 questions. Who are they? Who are they? They are my friends. They are my parents. They are my teachers. So remember, if you are introducing two or more many person, so use they are. And remember to put s at the end of the words to refer that you are introducing or referring to or more person.